Hello guys, my name is Deman Kalinov. Okay, today I will show my first video. So I'll change my name to Fidget Spinner because I'll make video for fidget spinners. Okay, now, let's show the camera. Look now, that's the golden one fidget spinner. I spent 10,000 pounds on this. 10,000. Look how fast it spins, but it's very good. I spent 10 pounds for this bulk ball, but now we'll talk about spinners. That's very good spinner. Look closer in the camera. Spinner, look out. Looks so shiny. You can see my camera. Look, so shiny. You can see my phone when I'm making my videos. Okay, guys, that was the golden fidget spinner. If you want to buy it, if you want to win it, write down comments who want to win that spinner, and I will give you free. Look, there the spinner. It's very good, huh? It's very good. Just look at that cool spinner. It's very good. Okay, thanks for watching that video, guys. If you like it, just hit the big like button, do a subscribe down, and go down to the description and see some other videos we'll make. So, bye!